Hello everyone. Today we will see an example of using ChatGPT in UiPath Studio. So let's get started. I have already drag and dropped the sequence activity and connected it with start to make it a start node. For this you will need to install a package named internallabs.gpt.activities. Double-click on the sequence activity. Drag and drop input dialog activity. In the title section, provide value as select. In the label section, provide value as select a option. Select input type as multiple choice. In the input option section, provide questions separated by semicolon and enclosed in the same set of quotes. In the value section, create variable by pressing Ctrl+K and provide name as choice. Next, drag and drop red text file activity and provide the file name in quotes, which is questions.txt. The questions.txt is a text file which I have created inside the UiPath project panel, and it has the data in key value pair enclosed in curly brackets. In the output section, to store the contents of the file, create a variable named read by following the same process. Next, drag and drop the Ask GPT activity and provide the text to extract as the stored content of the text file, which is read. In the question list section, provide the same questions as mentioned above, but this time each question must be enclosed in double quotes separated by comma, and then all the questions must be enclosed in curly brackets. To store the output, create a list variable named OP in the response list section. Next, to select the appropriate answer from the output list, we will use the switch activity. Change the type argument of switch activity to string. In the expression section, provide value as choice. We will create 4 case statements. For each case value, type the question in order. Drag and drop the assign activity, and in the save to section, provide a string variable op2, and in the value to save, provide the response list variable name, which is op, then the index of question number, which is for first question 0, and the field that we need to return, which is answer, as the list is stored as question answer pair. Continue this process for all questions by just changing the question and the index number of that question. In the default section, drag and drop a message box and type text as option does not exists. Next, to display the output, drag and drop message box activity outside the switch activity and type in double quotes answer is then plus sign and mention the variable op2. Click on Run File from Debug File drop-down. Here are some outputs. If you like the content of today's video, make sure to like, share and subscribe.